Welcome to SS Plants. Powered by Farm 19. We offer top-notch finest services and landscaping, architecture, design, build, supply, maintenance and other gardening solutions. With a well-experienced finest team of experts and skills. SS Plants that can design and build a distinctive indoor or outdoor space that will give you a healthy and green environment. For years driving all around the year. Irrespective of the natured property. Residential, multifamily, commercial, corporate, hospitality, healthcare, education, government, religious, sports or leisure farmhouse, resorts. SS Plants Pick can prove to be the finest choice in providing diversified landscaping services. At SS Plants and we offer services that include landscaping design, architecture, lawn installation and maintenance, roof terrace garden, organic and vegetable garden, indoor and outdoor garden, ponds, waterfalls, fountains, state-of-the-art technology used in the area of business. We emphasize on a cleaner and greener environment, focusing on providing a better environment for the next generation. SS Plants Visag Nursery, powered by Farm 19. www.farm19.co.in. farm19services@gmail.com. For more info, +91 912 1019 +91 912 1019 719.